Bitcoin broke out to the downside, guys. We broke the uptrending support of the rising wedge formation. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you exactly why this could actually be a good sign for Bitcoin over the midterm perspective. So it's going to be very interesting. I'm also going to share the exact levels that I'm watching right now in the Bitcoin chart to the downside. So guys, make sure to leave a like, drop your comment down below. With that being said, my name is Sharon. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, guys, let's jump into the Bitcoin price action. But before we are zooming in right here on the Bitcoin chart, make sure with every single one of us to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that is very much appreciated. Now let's jump into the Bitcoin price action. So we have been talking about that, Bitcoin is trading in this rising wedge formation, right? Uptrending support, uptrending resistance, very clear. And yesterday, Bitcoin broke that resistance to the downside. We saw a reaction in the price. We got a further drop, as we can see right here. We had some increase in the amount of volume. Not extraordinary amounts of volume like we normally see when we were to break out from such a huge pattern on a longer term time frame. So I don't mean like a 1 hour time frame pattern, but this is like really a pattern that has been forming on the daily time frame, right? Normally, if we were to break such a pattern, we want to see extreme amounts of volume and an extreme reaction in the price. Well, the reaction we got. Then, guys, when we dive into the 1 hour time frame, so we can have a closer look at the levels right here in the Bitcoin chart, then we can see that we broke the uptrending support to the downside. But as I said before as well, I think there's one major level below us, which is this horizontal green support zone. And if Bitcoin wants to become more bearish and wants to see a further drop, we really need to break through that level. And right now we have been breaking through that level, and we came to our next support level, which is the previous low right here at approximately 53,800. So far we got a bounce from this level, and right now it's going to be interesting to see what Bitcoin is going to do at this box. If this box, this former support box, is flipping into resistance, that's definitely bearish. Then, guys, if Bitcoin would break below the lows we have been setting right here, I definitely expect a further drop in the Bitcoin price, and the retracement continues, right? And the next major level that I'm watching is the former neckline right here, which on the 1 hour time frame is at the level of approximately 51,400. But if we were to have a look at the daily time frame, and I think that is more significant to have a look at the more broader perspective, more the bigger time frame, right? Then we can lower that neckline slightly, and then we can set that level at approximately 50,500 US dollars. That's going to be a major level for whenever Bitcoin were to break out to the downside right here. And guys, that is a level that will show a lot of significance right here. So most likely Bitcoin will see a bounce right here. Then it's the question, of course, are we going to see a retracement bounce to the upside and eventually seeing a further correction, or will that bounce result in an uptrend? Well, we have to see that whenever we are seeing that bounce. If we were to break below this level as well, guys, then the next major level that I'm watching in the Bitcoin chart is the highs right here, the horizontal line, which is at approximately 40,800 approximately. I think that's going to be a very significant level in the Bitcoin chart if we really were to see a further correction. And guys, let's go to the weekly time frame, because I get a lot of questions from you guys like, what is the lowest Bitcoin actually could go? And guys, in my opinion, that would be the 20 weekly moving average, which is the orange line right here, and right now it's trading at approximately 36,000 US dollars, and every week this moving average is increasing. So this is a dynamic number. Make sure to take that in mind. So right now the lowest level would be if Bitcoin were to drop this week or finish its correction this week to its lowest point in a bull market, then it could go to 36,000. But if we already check, let's say from next week's on, then this level would increase, and eventually the price would meet this level at a later stage, which means that the 20-week moving average would be at a higher level. So that's very important to realize that this is a dynamic number, but this is the ultimate bottom that I'm watching when we are in a Bitcoin bull market, because in previous bull markets we have seen very often situations where the price of Bitcoin is seeing an accelerated rally and afterwards is correcting back down to the 20-week moving average. This level is holding as support. Bitcoin is bouncing off from it. Then, guys, why is it a good good think that Bitcoin right now actually is going to correct? Well, first of all, let me show you a couple of charts that we have been looking at into our live streams. First of all, let's have a look at my Twitter account. For everybody who's not yet following me over on Twitter, make sure to follow me over on Twitter. I'm sharing a lot of charts and nice information right there. Also, I'm sharing there whenever I go live, so that is something nice. So make sure to subscribe to my Twitter account as well. I leave the link down below in the description. But right here, we have some charts indicating that Bitcoin is getting closer and closer to a top. Right here we have, for example, the pure multiple, which is looking at the daily coin issuance of Bitcoin in the US dollar value. And yeah, I have been drawing a resistance line right here, a declining resistance. And as you can see, every time we've touched that resistance line, or like almost touched that line, we have seen a top in the Bitcoin price. The Bitcoin price is the blue line right here in this chart. So this is actually very interesting. And if we were to reach that chart, or where to reach that resistance in the shorter term time frame, it might be possible for Bitcoin to top out or see a local top in the shorter term time frame. However, if Bitcoin were to correct and we postpone the touch right here of the resistance, then that would mean a higher Bitcoin price for whenever Bitcoin is going to top in the future, if we were to meet the resistance right here. Does that make sense, guys? So that is actually a good sign for Bitcoin if we were to see a brief Bitcoin calming down a little bit and preparing for the next rally. Then of course, if we have a look at some charts and look into bitcoin.com, then guys, we have the P cycle top indicator, which normally is a indicator showing us when Bitcoin is topping out, when these moving averages cross. And yeah, right here in 2017 it was very, very accurate. In 2013 it also has been very accurate, and right here you can see we are almost crossing these lines, which is showing us that Bitcoin might be topping out in the shorter term time frame when we are seeing these two moving averages cross. However, when Bitcoin is going to correct and going to take a breather right here, these moving averages will calm down as well, and we will create more space for potential upside momentum. So guys, that is very important to realize, that it might actually be a bullish sign for Bitcoin to right now take a breather and to don't continue a accelerated rally in the immediate short-term time frame. Then guys, I get a lot of questions. Can you have a look at Ethereum against the Bitcoin comparative? So let's have a look at the Ethereum against the Bitcoin comparative. Well, first of all, a lot of people, they think that right now it's looking actually quite bearish, and that we are seeing a head and shoulders formation with the neckline right here, the left shoulder right there, head in the middle, and the right shoulder right there. And although that is definitely possible, guys, I do not think that this is the likeliest scenario, because normally when we are seeing a head and shoulders pattern, we want to see that from a price when it's going into a uptrend. So we have a uptrend head and shoulders pattern, which is a reversal pattern, and afterwards we break in the neckline and we are entering a downtrend. Same counts for a inverse head and shoulders. We have a downtrend, inverse head and shoulders, which is a reversal pattern. We break the neckline, we break above the neckline, and then we transition from that downtrend into a uptrend. So right here, although it is possible, guys, this could be a head and shoulders pattern, I do think, guys, if we were to break this neckline to the downside, that is definitely bearish for Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative. However, I still think that Ethereum is holding quite strong, and that we are in some form of a accumulation phase right here. And it also makes sense if Bitcoin is going to take a breather right here, so it's going to calm down and not going to see a huge correction, but just going to calm down, might be slowly going towards the 20-week moving average. That could as well be a moment where some altcoins, especially Ethereum, could outperform Bitcoin in as well, because most of the times when Bitcoin is seeing this accelerated rally, the majority of liquidity is going into Bitcoin. But when Bitcoin is cooling down, we are seeing often that people are taking profits in altcoins, especially Ethereum, but that the liquidity in the crypto markets is being more divided. So that is quite interesting, guys, and if we were to see something like that with Bitcoin, that would actually be a good sign for Ethereum as well. Then guys, XRP finally broke out. We have been talking about XRP in the live stream, and I've been saying, guys, that the moment we break above this declining resistance right here, that is a moment you could long XRP in the Bitcoin comparative. I was actually quite bullish. I'm not fundamentally bullish on XRP. I just want to repeat that quite often. Fundamentally, I'm not that bullish, but if we just analyze analyze the charts right here, I think XRP now and then does offer some nice opportunities, and one of them I have been presenting in my past couple of live videos. And yeah, right now we have been breaking out, if you took this trade with me, then right now your trade is up approximately 25% in the Bitcoin comparative, which is a super nice trade, of course. So congratulations to everybody who took this trade with me. Right now we are in a bull market, and in a bull market, the majority of the money is being made with swing trading altcoins, right? So yeah, guys, take that in mind. Also, take in mind that, yes, swing trading altcoins is only profitable in certain periods when we are seeing a altcoin season. So the Bitcoin dominance chart needs to align with that as well. But yeah, right here we have, so far we are doing quite nice on our XRP trade. Then guys, for everyone who is interested in signing up for my cryptocurrency trading course, where you will learn everything that you need to know about these cryptocurrency markets in order to create your own profitable cryptocurrency trading strategy, right now I have a huge bonus going on, and you can enroll for my cryptocurrency trading course with a $100 discount. And guys, the course that I'm offering to you is very complete. You will learn everything of how to set up an account at an exchange, which order types are there, how to execute certain orders, which trading strategies are out there, which list you can use in order to confirm whether a trade is worth taking or not, what is the entry point, what is the exit point, and so on, guys. So for everybody who's interested in enrolling for my cryptocurrency trading course, you can do that at theblockchaintoday.com. I have a link to my website down below in the description as well. Then for all the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin or a variety of altcoins, I'm recommending 3 exchanges which I'm personally using myself as well, which is the Femix platform, the Prime XBT exchange, and the Bybit platform. And guys, I have all my affiliate links down below in the pinned comment to these exchanges. And if you sign up using my affiliate link, you will get an additional bonus, and you are supporting the channel with that as well. So for everybody interested in trading Bitcoin or variety of altcoins, you can find all my affiliate links down below in the pinned comment. Then for everybody who hasn't seen one of my amazing tutorials, you can go over there and have a look. Then I want to wish everyone an awesome day ahead, and I will see every single one of you in the next video.